Hello, everyone. My name is Meenakshi Iyer, and I'm a business and digital transformation consultant and a lean, agile, and human-centered design practitioner. One of the things I'm passionate about at work is the whole concept of boundaryless working, where it really doesn't matter where you're located physically, but still being able to get work done effectively, productively, and while still continuing to be empathetic towards your team members and your clients and your entire stakeholder community. Um, I believe that a lot of the concepts that we apply to our projects and programs can actually be applied to how we manage our teams and our work and our facilitation in meetings, especially nowadays with everything being virtual. So I'd love to talk to you more about how you can adopt and adapt some of the principles from the world of Agile, be it Scrum or Kanban, from the world of Lean, and also from human-centered design, and bring that all together in how you conduct your day-to-day meetings and how you manage your teams, your work, and your overall work environment.